structure. Look there for any more black swans. Just a friendly reminder to please stay seated. Nobody seems to be standing right now. It's just you would be tempted to, because we're coming up to the beautiful coastal waters of Kahit Point.
Wow. Wow.
On the ocean side, and the people on the ocean side, you end up on the Nauka side. Now keep your eyes open, it is summer, so dolphins tend to thrive in this part of the year. And then also keep your eyes open for any turtles. The Nanakuli can mean three things. Either to close your eyes, look down at your knees, or pretend to be deaf. Yeah, kind of a funny name for a town, and I'll tell you how it came to be. So as you know, Hawaii is known for the hospitality. Every time travelers came to Hawaii, the people invited them, come eat and drink, make them feel welcome. Here in Nanakuli, you guys can tell it's very dry and it's a super duper hot area. So resources like fresh water wasn't always available to spare. So every time travelers came to this part of the island, the people would just hang their heads down in shame and let the travelers pass them by. This kind of came off as rude to the travelers, and began to say that the people here were rude people. All they did was stand there, close their eyes, look down on their knees, or pretend to be deaf. And it wasn't that they're being rude, they were just kind of ashamed, because they couldn't offer much to a thirsty or hungry traveler.